Hey dear, today's video was sponsored by My Crowned Wigs. If you want to check out their website, all of that info is underneath the video in the description. What I'm showing you today is the Brazilian Beach Wave unit. It's a 22-inch 360 frontal wig. These are just the other items that were in the packaging. And here you've got pre-plucked lace all the way around the unit. Then you've got your tracks in the middle to make thickness, and you've got your adjustable straps to make sure your wig stays on your head nice and snug. The parting space on this unit is unbelievable. It goes so far back, you guys. And they left you some baby hairs. Baby hairs aren't too bad. I'm definitely gonna have to cut these down though for my preference. Yeah. Now it's time to cut your lace off. Now you gotta try your wig on, and only if you choose to, go ahead and slide your combs into your perimeter braids underneath. Now for the most tedious part of this tutorial, you're gonna have to plan out where you want your wig to sit on your forehead. Now try to eyeball it the best you can and apply your glue. I use cling. You can use any adhesive that you're comfortable with. And for my makeshift applicator, I'm just going to use the butt end of my tweezer here and apply the adhesive to my forehead. Now, big important notice, this product has to be applied 4 different times over itself. So 4 different layers of this needs to go on your forehead in order for you to have the best hold possible. I decided to keep all 4 applications in the video. Though they're sped up, I kept them there for people who would like to see how it looks. And I know some of you guys already know this, but a blow dryer will definitely speed this process up so you can get out of the darn door. Even so, this still took me about 45 minutes, you guys, so set aside some time before you leave the house. That completes the first layer, and I blow dried till it was see-through. That's how I know when I should add the second layer. That's the end of layer 2. After layer 2 was dry, it looks a little bit more see-through, so I'm adding layer 3 here. Layer 3 is done. Now layer 4. Now layer 4 is done, and I'm just gonna wait till this dries. Now, it's not 100% see-through, but I had to go that night, so I went ahead and just pressed it on. It ended up working out anyway. Just make sure you get at least 90% see-through. I think you'll still be good. Use anything you have handy to press it down because my fingers just were not working that night. At this point, you could trim your baby hairs down if you'd like to, but if that's not your style, you could definitely leave them long. The item that I'm using here is a razor comb. Then add some makeup to make everything blend in better. Just showing you the difference between the side that I haven't touched yet and the side that I completed already. Then I decided to style some of those baby hairs. Of course, this is optional. In the bright light, I actually found a little piece by my ear that was just a little too long, so I snipped it off and tucked it behind my ear for good measure. And just so everybody knows, I don't ever glue the back of my lace wigs because I have a lot of hair on my neck. As you can see here, it goes all the way down my back. I'm the kind of gal that uses the adjustable straps, and the kitchen generally looks pretty darn good. And sorry about the indecency here, but I had just washed the hair after taking a shower, and I thought I'd give you guys like a look at it. This is what it looks like, just wet. If you wanted to keep this kind of wet look for the day, put some mousse in it while it's a little bit damp. But this is what it looks like when the hair fully dries. And that wraps up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!